Hi! Today we're going to be recreating Elizabeth Taylor's iconic Cleopatra look. First, we're going to use the Zoria Plus Eyelid Cleanser. I'm going to be using it on both eyes, top and bottom eyelids. Then I'm going to use the Dermal spray by Zoria. Next, I'm going to use the Zoria Under Eye Cream, which is a part of an amazing set of under eye cream and serum. I absolutely love this stuff. And since today my skin is feeling a little angry and red, I'm going to use Zoria AR Anti-Redness Cream. This stuff is absolutely amazing at calming my skin down. And I'm just gonna apply it in any of the areas that seem a little extra red. I know you can see it in my cheeks for sure. I have a friend who actually suffers from rosacea and she loves this product. Next, I'm going to be applying Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This eye primer is absolutely amazing at keeping your eyes from getting oily and creasing. We definitely don't want any eyeshadow creases with this look. Next, we're going to be using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, and we're going to use Heaven. It's a cream color, and you're going to want to apply that over your entire eyelid and all the way up to your eyebrows. Adding a white or off-white color all over helps any color that you put on top pop a little more. It also just helps brighten up your eyes a little bit. Next, we're going to be using Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Palette, and we're going to use Mystic Ice. You want to start out applying just a little at a time and just carefully work the shadow into a half moon shape, just going back and forth over both lids. Fabulous. And then we're gonna work our way up from there. We're trying to create a specific shape with this look, and so you don't wanna just go crazy and throw it on all over the place without some sort of a plan. And at this point, we're gonna work our way up to our eyebrows. Just blend the color out so it's fairly even across. And then I'm going to use my blending sponge just to blend anything past my lower lash line out. And then Scotch tape works wonders for all sorts of things. We're going to take a small piece and apply it at an angle. And since it's super easy to do, we're totally gonna try and even out both sides. Don't worry if they're not perfect. I heard a saying once that eyebrows are more like distant cousins instead of twins. And then going along that tape, you're going to work the eyeshadow up at an angle. It's okay if you color a little bit out of the lines. You can always use a makeup remover. I'm gonna use Zoria's makeup remover and a Q-tip. And I'm just gonna go over the line a little bit just to blend it out a little, any imperfections. We're gonna go back over it with the Mystic Ice eyeshadow. Then we're gonna go over our bottom lash line with a thick black line of eyeliner. The eyes were very, very dramatic. Then I'm going to take my Coastal Scents 252 Pro palette and I'm going to use the second to darkest blue. And we're gonna go over the eyeliner that we applied to our creases. We're just gonna blend upwards until we've got the right shape and it looks fairly blended. We're gonna go along our bottom lash line with that same blue to tie it all together. And again on the other eye. Next, I'm going to apply a dark brown eyebrow filler. I like to use an eyebrow pencil, but definitely feel free to use any form of eyebrow filler you want. Now I am going to make a point to make my eyebrows a little thicker than normal for this look. And there you go. Oh yes, darling, hello. And then we're gonna pull the tape off. And the other side, you'll see it gives you a very sharp, defined line. Next, we're going to use a concealer. And we're gonna go under your eyes and right above your cheeks. Just blending it outwards. And just to lighten up your chin, we're gonna put a little concealer along your chin. And down the bridge of the nose to give it a more narrow look. Then I'm going to take my silicone blender and I'm just going to blend everything outward. Next, we're going to take liquid foundation. I love this Sheseido water-based liquid foundation. If you suffer from any sort of outbreaks, whether it be acne or whiteheads, if you're currently not using a water-based foundation, I highly recommend switching and see if that makes a difference for you. This particular foundation is full coverage. Next, we're going to use a highlighter powder. I like to use Kat Von D's setting powder. It's semi-translucent. You're gonna apply it right under the eyes. It brightens up that whole area. And then I'm going to use a highlighter. From my Nubian Queen palette. Just a touch of shimmer on the apples of your cheek and then along your cheekbones. And lip liner. I'm going to use a light pink lip liner. And then I'm also going to use a light pink liquid lipstick. I really love these Kat Von D liquid lip colors. They're long lasting. And then I'm gonna go over it with a semi-translucent but sparkly gloss. Just to add a little more shine, and it's going to bring all of that shimmer. Next, we're going to curl our lashes. Next, we're going to use Zoria Lash Mascara. You know, it's actually known that both men and women wore tons of makeup, which they believed actually gave them protection of the gods, Horus and Ra. While makeup was super important in general, the eyes were the most important thing here. Next, I'm going to use Ardell Demi Lashes. I always like the 110s. They give you a naturally dramatic look. And applying the lashes. This is always a fun process. Yes, I got them both and neither of them look crazy. And whoosh. Haha. Why hello, darling. Yes, yes, yes. I would love to walk like an Egyptian. Bye guys, see you next time.